guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add friends on SEMBLY AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add friends on SEMBLY AI, firstly go ahead and open up your SEMBLY AI application. The home page of SEMBLY AI will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on New at the bottom right corner of the page. From the pop-up option, tap on Invite SEMBLY, or the next thing that you can do is from the home page, click on your profile icon. On the next page, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the page and click on Share. Now enter the email address or name of a person that you want to add and tap on Send Invite. This is how you can add friends on SEMBLY AI quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.